Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions and we were in the worksheet 4, isn't it? Now coming to the second question, simplify the following and verify the results for the given values. Now first question is x squared minus 4xy plus y squared bracket open x minus 2y and the values for x and y are given. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay, first we will simplify the question. It is written. So first expression into the from the first expression, first term into this full minus 2y. Now minus 4xy, take this and multiply the whole. Now third term is plus y squared and x minus 2y. Clear? Now it is a x squared into x, that is x to the power 2 plus 1, that is x cube. Now sign is plus minus minus. Now 1 2s are 2, x cube, x square and y, right? X square y. Next it is a minus plus is minus 4 1s are 4, x into x, it is x square and this y. Now minus minus will be plus 4 2s are 8, x and then y and y, means y 2 times, that is why y squared. Now plus y squared into x, that is why xy squared, plus minus minus 1 2s are 2, y squared and y, that is why y to the power 3. Is it clear? Now like terms are there, x squared y, xy squared, xy squared. So we have to solve it. So x cube, right, first. Now minus 2 minus 4 x squared y, same sign, that is why minus 6x squared y. You have to add, isn't it? Put the sign minus. Now this is plus xy squared, 8 plus 1 is 9. So you'll get 9xy squared. Okay. Now minus 2y cube. So this is the answer. So like terms, whenever it is there, you have to simplify. Okay, now coming to the verification. With x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So write the question LHS. We have to write the question, that is x squared minus 4xy plus y squared and x minus 2y. Now put the values. It is a x squared, means 3 squared minus 4 into x is 3, y is 2 within the bracket. Now plus y squared, that is 2 squared. So this is the first expression. Now second expression is x, that is 3 minus 2 into y is 2. Now it will be how much? 3 squared, that is 3 3s are 9 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 twos are 24 plus 2 square. 2 twos are 4. Bracket close, bracket open. Now 3 minus 2 twos are 4. So you got how much? Minus 24 plus 4. It will be minus 20. Minus 20 plus 9. It will be minus 11 into 3 minus 4 means minus 1. Now minus minus becomes plus. So 11 ones are 11. Clear? Now coming to RHS. The answer, whatever you got, x cube minus 6x squared y plus 9xy squared minus 2y cube. Now put the values. X cube means 3 cube minus, it is 6 into x squared, that is 3 squared, into y is 2 plus 9 into x is 3, y is 2 square. Now minus, again bracket open, 2 into y is 2 cube. Now simplify the powers. You have to write. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 6 into 3 3s are 9 into 2 plus 9 into 3 into 4, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 into 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 27 minus 6 2s are 12, 12 9s are 108 plus 3 4s are 12, 12 9s are 108 minus 8 2s are 16. 108, 108, plus and minus cancelled. So now it is a 27 minus 16. 7 minus 6, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. Shall we go to the next sum? It is the second. 7x squared y minus 3z squared bracket x plus y plus z. And the values x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to minus 1. Okay, first step is first term 7x squared y. Now second expression is x plus y plus z. Now here the second term is minus 3z squared, bracket open, second expression x plus y plus z. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7. X squared x means 2 plus 1, that is 3, x cube, only y one time. Now sign is plus. 7 ones are 7, x squared as it is, y and y. Y 1 plus 1, it is 2. Now sign is plus. 7 ones are 7, x squared, then y and z. Okay. Now here minus plus minus, 3 ones are 3, x and z square. Now minus plus minus, 3 ones are 3, y and z square. Now minus plus minus, it is a 3 ones are 3, z squared and z. 2 plus 1 is 3. Are there any like terms? Just see. This is x cube y. You don't have any. X squared y squared. You don't have any. X squared y z. No. X z squared. No. Y z squared. No. 3z cube. This is the answer. Now coming to the verification. It is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. Okay, now you will write LHS, that is the question, that is 7x squared y minus 3z squared and x plus y plus z. Isn't it? Now square bracket open, 7 into, you put the round bracket, 7 into x squared, that is 1 squared, y is 1, close the bracket, minus, this is 3 within the bracket, into z is minus 1 square. Okay, now close the square bracket. Now again square bracket open. Now x is plus 1, y is plus 1, z is minus 1. Now it is 7, 1 square is 1 and 1. Put it within the bracket, minus 3 into minus 1 square becomes 1. Isn't it? Negative का power even number रहेगा, then it becomes positive. Now here it becomes 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now here it will be 7 ones are 7 into 1 7 minus 3 ones are 3 into 1. That is 4 minus 7 minus 3 is 4 into 1, that is why 4. Okay, now coming to RHS, very big it is, isn't it? It is a 7x cube y plus 7x squared y squared plus 7x squared y z minus 3x z squared minus 3y z squared minus 3z cube. 7x cube y plus 7x squared y squared plus 7x squared y z plus minus 3x z squared minus 3y z squared minus 3z cube. Okay, now put the values, square bracket, 7 into x is 1 cube into, it is 1, okay, plus 7 into x is 1 squared, y is 1 squared, plus 7 into x is 1 squared, y is 1, z is minus 1, minus 3 into x is 1, z squared minus 1 squared. Okay, now sorry, 3 into y is 1, z minus 1 squared. Sorry, minus 3 into z is minus 1 cube. Now 7 into 1 into 1, 7 into 1 into 1, 7 into 1 into 1 into minus 1. Now 3 into 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1, isn't it? Minus, now here it will be 3 into 1 into again 1. Now here minus 3 into minus 1 cube will become minus 1. Now it is 7 ones are 7 plus 7, 1 into 1, again 7. Now 7 and minus 1, so minus 7. Here it will be minus 3. Here again it is minus 3. Here minus minus becomes plus 3. Okay. Now plus 7 minus 7 cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. So you got 7 minus 3, that is 4. That is why LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Clear? Lengthy sums, I know, but you have to do, isn't it? Take care and do it. So that was a question number 2, first and second. Now coming to the question number second, third question. It is a 4a squared minus 6ab. Okay, we'll solve first how. 4a squared, bracket open. It is a 2a plus 3b. Method is same. Follow the method. Next is 6a minus 6ab. Again bracket open. 2a plus 3b. Now plus 9b squared. Again bracket open. 2a plus 3b. Okay. Now multiply 4 2s are 8. A squared a means a 3 times plus 4 3s are 12. Now it is a squared b. Now minus plus minus 6 2s are 12. A squared b minus plus minus 6 3s are 18. A and B means B squared. Okay. Now plus 9 2s are 18. A and B squared. Now plus 9 3s are 27. It is B squared B means it is B cubed. Clear? Now it is a 8a cube. A cube कुछ है नहीं. 8a cube. Now a squared b plus 12 minus 12 cancelled. ab squared minus 18 plus 18 again cancelled. So it is 27b cube. Answer is 8a cube plus 27b cube. Now it is verification. with values A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. Now LHS, write the question. 4a squared minus 6ab plus 9b squared bracket 2a plus 3b. Okay, we'll put the values. It is a square bracket open 4 into 2 squared within the bracket minus 6 into 2 into 1, isn't it? Plus it is a 9 into b squared, that is 1 squared. Bracket close. Now again square bracket open. 2 into a is 2 plus 3 into b is 1. Now this will be 4 into 2 2s are 4 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 1 12 plus 9 into 1 bracket open 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. Now it will be in this bracket it will be 16, 4 4s are 16 minus 12 plus 9 and here it will be 7. That means 16 minus 12, that is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 into 7 is 91. Okay. Now coming to RHS. It is a 8a cube plus 27b cube. The answer what you got. Okay, now put the values. 8 into 2 cube plus 27 into 1 cube. That is 8 into 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 27 into 1 cube is 1. So you got 8 8s are 64 plus 27, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 plus 6, 7, 8, 9. So this and this same. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Clear? Now coming to the fourth sum, it is m squared. Okay, write the question. M squared bracket open m minus 5 minus 10m bracket open m minus 5 plus 25 bracket open m minus 5. Now m squared into m, 2 plus 1, that is 3 minus 5m squared, isn't it? Now minus plus minus, 10 ones are 10, m into m 2 times m square, minus minus becomes plus, 10 fives are 50 and m. Now plus 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 25m plus minus minus 25 fives are 125. Now this is m cube. Nothing is there, only 1. Now m square minus 5 minus 10, that is minus 15 m square, that is plus 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 50 plus 25, 75 m minus 125. This is the answer. Okay. Now coming to verification with m is equal to -2. So LHS, write the question: m squared minus 10m plus 25 bracket and m minus 5. Okay, it is a m squared means -2 square, then it is minus 10 into -2 put within the bracket plus 25 bracket close, again square bracket open, -2 minus 5. Now it is a this one, how much it will be? -2 square, that is 4. 2 2s are 4. Sign becomes plus. Now minus of minus, it becomes plus. 10 2s are, it is 20 plus 25, or here -2 minus 5 minus 7. That becomes 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 2 4 into -7. Sign plus minus minus, 7 9s are 63, 6 in hand, 7 4s are 28, 29 30 31 32 33 34. That is minus 343. Now coming to RHS, it is m cube minus 15m squared plus 75m minus 125. M cube means it is a -2 cube, then minus 15 into -2 square, then plus 75 into -2 minus 125. -2 cube, minus का odd power, so it will be minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus, this is a 15 into minus ka square, it becomes plus 2 2s are 4, plus, this is plus minus minus 75 2s are, it is 150, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 minus 125. So it will be minus 8, 15 4s are is 60, so minus 60 plus minus 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 150 minus 125. Now add all, it will be minus, isn't it? 8 plus 5 is 13, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6 will be 14, 1 plus 2, 3. So you got minus 343. So that is why LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? We have completed the verification 4 sums. Second sum 4 subdivisions. Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.